Got an NSX project file from mobile app development work? This is a project file from AppStudio mobile application development software. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and using these AppStudio project files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your NSX file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. NSX Files are project files used by AppStudio mobile application development platforms for creating cross-platform mobile applications. They store complete project configurations including UI layouts, code modules, application resources, and build settings for generating native mobile applications from a single codebase. NSX Project files use AppStudio's proprietary format, storing references to source files, application metadata, UI definitions, and build configurations. The structure includes platform-specific settings for iOS and Android targets, along with code organization and resource management information for the development workflow. NSBasic defined NSBasic AppStudio as the application primarily intended for NSX. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows may display the settings, yet safe modification requires understanding dependencies. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your NSX file and choose Open with. Test with NSBasic AppStudio first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the NSX file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the NSX format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, opening in AppStudio. Install the AppStudio development environment compatible with your NSX file version. Launch the application and use File then Open Project to load the NSX file. The IDE restores the complete project workspace, enabling code editing, UI design, building, and deployment to mobile devices. Next, building applications. Within AppStudio, configure build settings for target platforms, iOS or Android. Use the build command to compile the project into deployable mobile applications. Configure code signing certificates and provisioning profiles for iOS deployment, or signing keys for Android distribution through app stores. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Consider migrating AppStudio projects to current cross-platform frameworks like React Native Flutter or .NET MAUI for ongoing development. Manually port UI layouts and code logic to the new platform. Modern frameworks provide active development, better tooling, and broader community support compared to legacy AppStudio. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.